cards and micro SD cards. We all know what they are, but do we really know about the information displayed on the front of each card? Well, the devil's in the detail. So, there are three main characteristics of an SD card. The physical size, which is the dimensions, the performance, how quickly it can read and write data, and the memory capacity, how much data it can store. Now, some drones have internal memory, like the Mavic Air 2S, but a lot of drones don't have this feature. So I would recommend 2 or 3 types of cards. The first being a standard SD card, the second being a micro SD card, and perhaps the third being an adapter. This can be used to transfer your drone images and videos onto a laptop, for example. Typical information displayed on a card could start with the brand or manufacturer of the card. The next being the memory size, measured in megabytes, gigabytes or terabytes, in this case 64 gigabytes. And the first symbol at the bottom of this card is the capacity, SD, which stands for secure digital. But there is SDHC and XC. To provide you some scope, 1000 megabytes is 1 gigabyte, 1000 gigabytes is 1 terabyte, and 1000 terabytes is equal to a petabyte. Down below, SD is limited to 2 gigabytes of storage. High capacity, HC, is 32 gigabytes, and extended capacity, XC, can store up to 2 terabytes. The next symbol is the speed class, denoted here by the number inside the letter C. There are 4 classes, 2, 4, 6 and 10. Remember, the higher the number, the faster the sustained speed. This is the ultra high speed. The number inside the letter U is the ultra high speed classification. There are 3 classes, U1, U2 and U3. And finally, some cards also specify the read and write speeds. In this case, 100 megabits per second read rate and 90 megabits per second write rate. Recording video on a camera drone is only half the story. Watching it back is the other. So paying attention to the performance of an SD card is a key factor to video playback. Check out this useful table, and if you found the video helpful, like, share and subscribe.